Welcome to another ASAP Convert tutorial. This time we will learn how to configure social proof on our website. In this case, we have this website where we offer a newsletter services. This can be applied to any type of website, product sales, software registration, forms, and many others. The goal of social proof is to use social influence to increase trust and persuasion in an offer or product. The idea is that people are more willing to adopt a behavior or make a decision when they see that others similar to them have already done so. Let's get started. First of all, you have to create the campaign and link it to the website. We have a tutorial that explains how to do these first steps. Now let's create the notification. We can choose several social proof notifications. The main ones are the conversion notification that will show a message when someone has made a conversion in your website, and the conversion counter. This will show us how many products or registrations there have been in a range of time. For this example, we will create the conversion notification. The first thing to do before customizing the notification is to go to the Data tab. In this tab is where we can configure where we want our notification to collect data from or where it will be sent to. We have to activate the Auto Capture Data option so that the notification automatically collects the data from where we tell it to. As we want to take the data from the page where the customer registers, we copy the URL and paste it in the Data tab. The next thing to do is to activate the notification. By default, they are deactivated. Let's go to the next step. Before configuring the notification, we have to check that it works. That's why I'm going to perform a conversion on my own website. We fill in the requested data, and if we have made the connection correctly, this data should appear as data captured by the notification. Let's check it out. We go back to ASAP Convert and we have to go to the Notification Data tab. Here we will see the data captured on our website. We can now customize the notification. First, I recommend to change the name of the notification to keep it under control. The next step is to change the message we want the notification to display. For that, we can put a general message, which will be displayed in all notifications, or we can customize it with the data captured from the last conversion. To do this, we have to go to the Data tab and look at the data that has been captured. We are interested in seeing what titles the data have. These titles are the ones that we have to take as a reference to add in the description between brackets as explained below. The next step is to customize the notification to your liking. All notifications are 100% customizable. Every time you make a change, hit the Update button. Customize the information you want to display in the notification, under what conditions it is displayed, and to whom it is displayed. Also, the design of the notification is 100% customizable. Once you have it finished, click on the Update button. Now let's see how it works on our website. We hit the refresh button and the social proof notification will appear the way we have configured it. In this case, I have set it to show the name and country of the captured user. Let's make another example to see it live. Suppose we are a user who decides to buy a product, register for a newsletter, or fill out the form to buy a service that is on our website. Once the user enters their data, the social proof notification will capture it and display it on the page where we have configured it. In our example, on the home page. In this way, the next user that enters our website will see that someone else has recently been buying this product. For more configuration details, there is a manual in the ASAP Convert Help Center. Thanks for watching.